What's going on, YouTube? We back with another video, baby. I just about thought we went to a little car meet. I don't know how good it's gonna be, how, you know, what the, it's a brick in the middle of the road. I don't know how good it's gonna be, what's gonna be there, but we meeting up with a couple of the boys from last video. And yeah, we just gonna see how this go. We're gonna be there for a little minute, chat it up, see what's there, and maybe ride a little bit after. I don't know. I doubt we will. If we are, I am changing my visor out, because I'm not riding at night with a smoke visor. I'm just not. Definitely not with a couple people. So yeah, catch y'all when we pull up. And got on the GSXR, got the gold watch on.
This throttle's so rude.
You didn't put the watch on?
What? I know.
You wanna do it? That wide turn. Man, we seen this Corvette at the other meet. F4i, Honda 500R, I think. We was riding with these dudes earlier. Got us some, what are these, some sleeper bills or something? This is supposedly the season closer, so it's supposed to be decent. I don't know. That Corvette we seen at the other meet. What up, man?
I seen you ride in with the GoPro.
What's going on?
Yeah, I want to hear that one.
Oh yeah, I think this is the vet we rode with. Is it LED? Nope, it's not. It's not the dude we rode with. Hear that thing, cool? Okay. 0304. Oh, that's a big exhaust. Oh my gosh.
When he got, what Lamar got?
13.
What was that?
It's like an 03. 04, yeah. Tripping. Ryan 636 got me on these. 67.
Not as fast as that bike though.
Oh, this is a cow. What is it, Vulcan? Yeah.
Wait till you strap on a drag bike. Then you're going.
Uh-huh.
That was back in the old days.
It's fine, I'm not mad. It's good, man.
Not bad. I like the all black. Oh, this thing, right? Look at these tires. Got some of the. Is that a S1K? I think that's my boy right there. Oh, this thing nice. Yeah, this thing is clean. Hey, he the one that was gonna get the H2.
Yeah, oh, he put the H2.
Got an S1K out here, baby. Oh, I know. Okay, I've seen this. Yep, at the army facility or whatever. Clean, bro. SC Project, the big boy. And we got my baby right here, huh? GSXR-750, I think. Say what? So they just pull it up. All white joint.
I couldn't imagine anything over.
Huh?
There he is. Look.
The man.
The two Busas.
Get a bunch of footage off this car.
I'm putting together a reel. That white dude with that BMW.
Yeah, he said, yeah.
That H2.
4.
That's 750 clean.
I know. You see all the carbon fiber on it? Yeah, see? He had a little mini one.
Get better than mine. Yours is also. God damn. Yours just looks mean as fuck too. You got stealth wheels on it. I need to, but
I used to have I just put those on last week.
I catch myself using the wheels too much now. How do you feel about it though? It's like, is it actually?
I don't even use them, bro.
What are you doing?
That bitch wide.
It's what?
Wide.
Oh, it's on?
Yeah. Wait. Oh, maybe I was hearing that car over there. I thought I heard it. I'm about to say that motherfucker wide.
Not the
He just turned it on. It ain't quiet.
Now, do I gotta turn my shit on?
Hey, you might shut it down, bro. He gonna feel humbled.
That little coughing, that little bullshit ass exhaust.
Look, I understand big loud exhaust, but if I can't hear my music over the exhaust, you got earplugs.
Baby. Yeah, I still can barely hear my music half the time. That's why I throw the little.
Man, how y'all be getting the AGV? I can't find them anywhere. Online. We only have fucking WAPs here and they don't sell anything.
You can't find them online.
No.
Go to eBay. They definitely got them on eBay.
Got mine on Amazon. I want to get a shoey though.
I have been. I've looked at a KYT KX1.
I want those KYT. Is he getting footage or something?
Must be taking shots of this shit.
Oh yeah. I showed him. Got my camera.
If you're gonna put it there.
I got the camera.
That's the only place I got it. Just take the plate off. I don't know what to tell you. At that point.
I still got my camera. I just don't got my lenses because I'm trading them for something better.
Hey, stop grabbing your shit before I gotta rev my shit. I don't want to rev my shit.
Fuck around, make everybody's car alarm go off.
Man.
I definitely got the second loudest one. That's all I'm
Yeah, I was telling him that shit really is loud as fuck.
Hey, what you got on this one? What is that? Oh, 85? Is it A73?
Yeah, A73.
Okay.
You done? No, go ahead and close it.
How long you been riding?
I've had my license for about a year and a half. This is my first bike I own. But before that, my friend had a 600 I ride pretty much regularly, and then my other buddy, he had a little 200 that I just do stupid shit on. But consistent, probably last night, you know.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I should have just got a 600 or 750, bro. Cause I'm ready to sell mine.
A lot of people say, but I will say, one, I think you have so much more leniency. Like it's how do I put it? It's more forgiving. Like you can mess up and it's not gonna be that bad compared to that. Like first gear for me, I hit 85.
That's what I'm saying.
Like you don't need that. Like
I shift so much, bro.
Hey, that's just gonna make you a better.
That's what I'm saying. I said that in one of my videos.
That is.
Let the good boys get out.
Way loud. Let me move when you see your shit though.
Red battle.
I said, just hit you tomorrow if you ain't no shit.
Alright.
Watch out.
Oh God. Alright, bro.
I got the baby bird.
There it goes, there it goes. Oh, look at the moon. That look nice. That's a nice picture. That's a bad man right there. Oh yeah, let me hear yours, bro. Hey, what you got on there? Okay. Come on, man.
I ain't got nobody to mentor, so I'm just watching YouTube all day. I can't complain, dude. $29 an hour to sit on my ass and watch YouTube. Stop. Dude, I'm glad to hear it. I don't think so.
Is it in? Yeah, is it in right gear?
You right, because I pulled up and I couldn't find neutral.
No, I'm just down here busy. We just got down here like 2 days ago. Oh, shit.
Okay, that ain't bad.
You gotta get that off of there.
It's too big.
I don't want it to be loud as fuck.
Yeah, but this is obnoxious and shit like
obnoxious. I want to be able to hear my music.
That's the 0304, baby.
I ended up just buying that Vulcan.
God.
You gotta come in with the front. He got the loudest shit in here for real.
All right, bro, we get it. And just turn it off. That moonshot go hard, don't it? Yes. I mean, I seen it.
It's not high enough in the sky.
Yeah. Say what up to my boy and probably dip. I ain't gonna lie.
Well, what's up?
What's going on, man?
Good to see you.
Hi. Good. How you doing?
Pretty good. I'm buying the wrap for this next week.
I returned my camera stuff, but I'm buying new stuff soon. Yeah.
You constantly get new stuff.
Huh?
Constantly get new stuff.
Bro, I'm trying to upgrade, man. Everything decent, I ain't gonna lie. Manual too. What?
Look. Tell me if I'm tweaking. This is my most recent picture because this is another day, obviously,
right.
On football out here. So, why is the sun eclipsed like that?
Wait, why is what? The sun eclipse.
Eclipse. If that was the moon, bro, why would it go? Why would it duck down if the moon goes up into the sky at night? It's gone now. It was over here.
I know. I'm trying to see if anything else is in the sky.
Ain't no.
That would be the sun, right?
Exactly. But why is it eclipsed like the sun? No, I'm saying that's the sun.
No,
Why was it eclipsed like the moon? I meant to say.
I know what you're saying. Yeah.
Like, why was it like that? Because they just covered that bitch up, bro. Look at how the time.
Ain't nobody was paying attention
Bro,
to.
the other day I was out filming, bro, and I guarantee you, bro, at this time it was not this dark just yet. They playing with the time.
Got the smoke and now you're tripping. I know, I don't see it. Dude, tripping. Get off that Zai and start tweaking. We just left the ride. I mean, the meet. I wish we had more. The bike scene and car scene needs to be better in this town. Cause bro, it's not really all that. Content would be so much better. I ain't gonna lie, I kinda do get tired of my bike being like, as low as CCs it is, I don't like how loud it is, if that makes sense. Well, if it was a 4-cylinder, it would sound way better. Hey, I don't ride like him, so I'm just saying.
What?
I don't ride crazy like him, so.
Hey, whenever he took off, he went over between the cars. I said,
Okay. He said he's been riding for basically 2 months now. This is his first bike, 750. I should have started that way. Everybody got their bikes though. Everybody has their path. We gotta ride a bike in a different town one day, chat. I just don't really like taking this bike on the highway because I don't want to be high RPM the whole time. trying to get his attention. Check it. This is where it starts to get dark. Sheesh. The wind is crazy. I'm sorry. I can't see. Wait, what? Did he take off? Oh, okay. Oh, it's so dark over there. Oh, it's a little chilly over here. Alright y'all, I think that's going to do it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoy it. If you did, like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next. If you want to see me ride with a certain bike, what, I don't know. Like the video for me though, help me out. And subscribe. Again, I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. We out.